y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 19,000 of us over here. We this close to 20K. Today's video is not about this hair, but y'all know it's coming. Today's video is all about how to refresh your mini twists, especially if you have washed them or just been wearing them for a long time. So I'm gonna show you how to take your mini twists from looking like this to looking like this. If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. So let's get started refreshing our mini twist. We just got finished washing our hair. If you missed how I washed my natural hair in mini twist, I'll leave that video linked above for you. Go ahead and check it out. So again, these are my twists. By the way, I'm using the same products that I used in my initial video. This edge control to define my parts. This twisting souffle to moisturize my hair. This Wakati refresh spray, just in case I want to add a little bit more moisture to my hair. And I grabbed this Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. If you know why I grabbed this, you know why I grabbed this. Okay, so this is my back section. This is what where I'm going to go ahead and start and tackle it row by row. Okay, so again, this was my first row twist, and in this row we had 1, 2, 3, 4 twists. We will not be touching this one, so we'll put this one to the side and work on refreshing these 3 twists. Okay,
so let's get right into it. The first and most important thing I have to do is take out my old twist. Now this is super important because you do not want your hair to knot up or tangle up while you are doing this. Please be very, very careful. You see that I'm leaving this in real time so you can see exactly how long it took for me to take out this twist. So remember, I did twist at the bottom and braid at the top, so that is what I'm taking loose. And again, just trying to be super careful, especially since we manipulated and agitated our hair by washing it in these twists. I know that a couple of you, especially on TikTok, y'all said that y'all had some concerns about washing your hair in twists, but I promise you I did not lose a lot of hair. Just make sure you take your time and be patient, okay? Also follow me on TikTok at JaiChanellie because they are getting extra mini twist content over there, so follow me.
and now we have our section of hair that we're going to work with.
I'm going in with a light spritz of the Wakati Refresh Spray, and then I'm going in and detangling with the rat tail comb just to make sure we do not have any tangles in our hair.
And then we're going to get started with our install process once again. So I'm putting some edge control at the base, starting with a plait. And then we're going to twist up. So now we've officially touched up this twist. It's a lot longer. Shrinkage has not yet gotten to it. So we're going to repeat that process 2 more times in this row. Remember, we are not touching the lock. so we have touched up our back row with the exception of our one twist over here, which we have decided to let lock. As you can probably see, the roots are very much in need of what we're gonna be calling a retwist. Okay, so instead of taking this loose, I am gonna go in with my refresh spray just to make sure it's moisturized. I'm going to go into this product, apply this to my roots, and I'm going to twist this lock and just try to keep it as taut as I possibly can. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this. Just like so. Right now it's clipped to those other twists, but I'm gonna literally keep it like this all night, let it dry like this, so that my roots can essentially be retwisted. Now I'm just gonna continue to go through my head row by row, defining the row, taking down each twist, making sure it's detangled, and then retwisting. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all actually watch this process. Quick check-in showing you how our progress is going. So the hair in the front is what I'm working on right now, but the hair that is in the ponytail I have not yet retwisted. So don't be confused. The only hair that you see right now that's retwisted is the bottom section. The ponytail section we have not done yet. I just went to the top. I kind of work my way around the middle and then do the middle last, just in case I need to, you know, throw all my hair in a ponytail. It'll look like the perimeter is done, because it is. And that middle is not. Y'all know the black girl tricks. Come on now. I don't have to explain to y'all. But yeah, that's what I just want to show you. And as you see, when I twist my hair initially, it is very stretched. But eventually, it'll start to go ahead and shrink up. And I really do think my products did a great job of keeping my hair moisturized and keeping those twists looking juicy. Got lots and lots of compliments on TikTok once again about how my mini twists look. They were very shiny, very juicy. And again, the only two products that I used this time were the Ricotti Refresh Spray or Conditioning Spray. I detangled, and then I went in with the edge control at the top of my head and the Miele Twisting Souffle throughout the shaft of my hair. So again, you know all the products that I'm using in order to get this sheen, and hopefully they work for you as well. All of these products will be linked in my Amazon shop, so please go ahead and check the description box. Click the Amazon shop and you'll see all these products available for purchase, okay? But yes, this is a pretty repetitive process, so I'm just going to do the same thing for about 4 hours. I think I was watching Bridgerton season 2. Shout out to all y'all who watch Bridgerton. Check in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of season 2 in the comments. And yeah, the thing I do like about this whole process is it is super tedious and also very easy. You know how to two-strand twist this, so you can do this process, okay? Don't overthink it. Don't overthink the parting. Just let your hands, you know, do all the work.
So I'll check back in with y'all when we are completely finished and we are ready to reveal our brand new refreshed mini twist. See you soon.
Good morning, y'all. Let's go ahead and reveal what our refreshed mini twists look like. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and show you my hair. Yeah, y'all, so this is my hair after we went ahead and refreshed our mini twists. They are looking as good as new and honestly even juicier than before. Get into those parts though. The mini twist looks so juicy, so good, and I'm so glad I decided to do this protective style on my natural hair. Again, make sure you're following me on TikTok because I've been giving TikTok a lot of mini twist content. And more importantly, if you are interested in this hairstyle that I'm currently rocking, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you will not miss my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.